guys, what is up? Quite Squishy here again with another video for you guys today, and today is Thursday, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an LED light unboxing. I have the LED lights right here. They came from Amazon, so I will put a link down below of the LED lights I got. So let's get started with today's video. So here's what the box looks like. They are called Grovee Wi-Fi RGB LED Light Strip. They work with the Grovee Home app, the Google Assistant, and the Amazon Alexa. And the reason I bought these LED lights over any other Grovee LED light strip is because not only do these work with the Grovee Home app, but they also work with the Amazon Alexa, and these are going downstairs around his 75-inch TV. And down there, he has a Harman Kardon Alexa, so these will work with the Alexa and be controlled by the Alexa. They will also work with the Grovee Home app, but right now, currently, he is trying to make our home into a smart home. These are what they look like. They look like this, as you can see right here. They also have this that you can control it with. It has power and brightness and color change. This is just what they look like, and I will show you guys what they look like when they're plugged in.
Later.
Here's what the LED lights look like. They're plugged in, as you can see, and I'm just gonna use this controller right now because they're not set up to the Grovee Home app yet. But here's the power button. They have this. They have all different kinds of colors, and the colors are so bright. The brightness goes up to 100, and you can change the brightness, and these are all the colors. And then here's the different kind of modes they have. These are super cool, and I love the modes. I love the flashing modes, and these modes detect your voice, any sound. So like when sound would play on the TV, it would start flashing. Obviously in the app, there's so many different modes and different colors. I'm super excited to get them put up.
Later.
We got the LED lights put up around the TV, got them working with the Grovee Home app and the Amazon device. And when we first started putting them up, they were actually kind of hard because some of the adhesive started coming off of the lights, but we got it back on, so I'm going to show you guys what they look like. Here's what they look like. This is them in red. This is what they look like.